Quarter to 3.
Yeah, that's pretty good. There's usually a lot of traffic down there.
What did you take up?
93. From the Avis place, it said, how do I get to 93? Said you make a left and a right, and another left, and then hang to the right, and just follow her there.
Wow, that's pretty easy.
So, yeah, wasn't bad at all. That's what he did. Went through the Ted Williams Tunnel.
She doesn't know.
Just dancing away.
She does that when
No,
she's
what
in
was
the
that? Was that a
saucer.
victory dance? Was that a victory dance? Like that victory dance, don't you, huh?